Hey guys, welcome back to On the Menu 757. For our next dish in our Thanksgiving menu series, I want to introduce you guys to one of my favorite Thanksgiving side dishes, which is harvest rice. This pairs perfectly with turkey, but it's also flavorful and hearty enough to stand on its own. Over medium heat, you're going to take 1 tablespoon of olive oil, add a 1/3 cup of chopped carrots, and saute till it starts to break down and soften. I'm then adding 1 cup of sliced mushrooms, and I'm going to saute that as well. Next, I'm taking 1 cup of frozen spinach that I have thawed and drained all of the water out of, and I'm mixing that in. To that, add 1 more teaspoon of olive oil, and then you're going to add in your rice. Here I have 2 cups of rice. 1 cup is my wild grain rice mix, and the other cup is just regular long grain white rice. Now here I'm using Near East wild grain rice mix, but any rice mix will do. I'm adding 2 cups of water after I've sauteed my rice with my vegetables, and then I'm going to add in the seasoning packet that came with the rice mix. To that, I'm going to add my additional cup of water, and then I'm going to cover and let simmer for about 15 minutes. When you're done, just fluff your rice, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for harvest rice and you decide to add it to your Thanksgiving menu. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.